love living in the rainforest, but does it actually do anything for the earth?
Yeah, the rainforest purifies air and water, detoxifies and decomposes waste, and reduces impact of extreme weather.
That's so awesome! I didn't know all that.
Yes, but deforestation of our rainforest brings consequences like air and water pollution, erosion of the soil, malaria epidemics. It releases CO2 in the air, and precious biodiversity is lost.
That's a really scary thought.
I know, right? Fewer rainforests means less oxygen, less rain, and an increased threat of global warming.
Did you know that ecosystem services save the world $33 trillion every year?
Why should I care? Wait, what's an ecosystem service?
An ecosystem service is when the environment does something necessary for our survival without us having to do anything, like purifying water. And why should you care? Deforestation causes a decrease in biodiversity, which leads to the ecosystem's decrease in capacity to perform these services. That's a lot more work and money we have to spend just to survive.
It's so pretty!
Hey Todd, what's up?
Nothing.
Oh, the trees are falling! There are plenty more reasons for conserving the rainforest besides destroying innocent animals' habitats. The biodiversity of the rainforest provides countless opportunities for potential crops, fibers, and medicines. In fact, 25% of prescriptions contain substances derived from plants. Deforestation has the potential to destroy all of this.